लास्ट वीडियो में हमने 10 क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस किए थे। आज फिर हम 10 क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करेंगे मैथमेटिक्स के। ऐसे क्वेश्चन जो जी आई सी एल टी जी आई सी लेक्चरर यूपी टी जी टी यूपी पी जी टी डी एस एस पी टी जी टी पी जी टी झारखंड टी जी टी पी जी टी बिहार टी जी टी पी जी टी एम पी पी जी टी सभी के लिए यूज़फुल है। लेट्स सी द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है मैं इक्वेशन पढ़ देती हूँ। द इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल टू द इलिप्स दिस एट द पॉजिटिव एंड ऑफ द रेक्टम। लेटेस्ट रेक्टम के पॉजिटिव एंड पॉइंट पे हमको नॉर्मल का इक्वेशन फाइंड करना है। हमको पता है इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल क्या होता है। इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल टू द इलिप्स इज नथिंग बट व्हेन वी हैव गिवन द पॉइंट्स देन इट इज नथिंग बट ax अपॉन x1 माइनस बी स्क्वायर वाई अपॉन y1 इज इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर। वेयर लेटेस्ट रेक्टम का जो एंड होता है, लेटेस्ट रेक्टम हमको पता है वो कॉर्ड होता है इलिप्स का जो फोकस से होके जाता है, फोकस के परपेंडिकुलर होता है लेटेस्ट रेक्टम। और लेटेस्ट रेक्टम की जो लेंथ होती है वो 2b² बाई ए होती है, 2b² बाई होती है। तो पॉइंट्स हो जाएगा यहाँ से, ये ए ही है, फोकस विल बी a0 देन a एंड b² बाई ए। तो x1 y1 पॉइंट विल बी a b² बाई ए। Putting the point a b² by a in the place of x1 y1, we will get this equation. Solving this equation we get ax upon e minus ay is equal to a square minus b square, and we also know that b square is equal to a square 1 minus e square for ellipse. This is the equation between the major axis, minor axis and the eccentricity of the ellipse. Hence we can find from here a square minus b square is nothing but a square e square. Putting this a square minus b square in this equation, we get ax upon e minus a is equal to a square e square. Solving this, we get x minus ey minus a e square. Option number B is correct. Question number second is the equation of diameter. The equation of diameter conjugate to the diameter y is equal to b by a x to the ellipse. ellipse दिया है, उसके conjugate उसकी उस diameter का equation find करना है जो y is equal to b by a x के conjugate है. Let's see, the equation of the diameter is y is equal to, we know that the equation of diameter for the ellipse is y is equal to minus b square x upon a square m. Here from the given equation m is nothing but b by ay is equal to mx, from y is equal to x mx. Putting the value of m, we get y is equal to minus b by a into x. Third question is the diameter of this hyperbola which conjugate to this. Again we have to find the diameter where the equation is of hyperbola. The equation of hyperbola को हम एक जनरल फॉर्म की इक्वेशन में लिख लेंगे। लिखने के बाद इक्वेशन ऑफ डायमीटर कॉन्जुगेट टू x इज इक्वल टू 2y, x इज इक्वल टू 2y से कॉन्जुगेट है, m की वैल्यू 2 गिवन है, दिस इज a स्क्वायर, दिस इज b स्क्वायर. Here we know that the equation of diameter for hyperbola is y is equal to b square x upon a square m. Putting the value of b square, a square and m, we get y is equal to 32 by 9x. Question number 4 is the polynomial of fx satisfy the condition this if f of 10 is equal to itna, then f of 20, we have to find f of 20. Given that fx into f of 1 by x is equal to fx plus 1 by, ये तभी फॉलो होगा जब fx की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, x पे पावर n प्लस 1, x पे पावर n माइनस 1. fx की वैल्यू x पे पावर n प्लस 1 होने पे ही ये कंडीशन फॉलो करती है. We have to learn this. x पे पावर n plus 1. If we put f10, then 10 to the power, here value of x will be 10, then 10 to the power n plus 1 is equal to, given f10 की वैल्यू गिवन है 1001 Putting this 1001, we get n की value 3. So we have to find f of 20, then 20 to the power 3 plus 1. This will be 8000 plus 1. Question number 5th is, we have given a function fx is equal to cos of log x plus under root x square plus 1. We have to find this is odd or even or constant. We know that first of all we have take the inner of fx. Fx is equal to log x plus under root x square plus 1. Now f of minus x we can get, adding both we get 0. We get 0. Solving this we get 0. Hence f is equal to minus of f of minus x. f of minus x. Hence this is the odd function, or putting the odd function in the cos of fx, we get the cos function is always even function, hence it is even function. Question number 6 is, fx is given this, we have to find is this odd even periodic function. First of all we have to get fx and put here f of minus x, putting minus x in the place of x. As we have given sin p power 4x minus x is even, cos p power 4 minus x is even, and here it is even, it is odd. Solving this we get minus of fx, and hence fx is odd function. Option B is correct. Question number 7, we have to find the period of the function. Question number 20th, given here the period of the function. Period of the function fx is equal to, question number 7, we have to find the period of the function fx is equal to sin p power 4 3x plus cos p power 4 3x. The period of sin p power n ax will be pi by a if n is even. The period of sin p power 4 3x will be pi by 3. Similarly, cos p power 4 3x will be pi by 3. We have to add this, we will get the function will be pi by 3 by 2, that is pi by 6. Option number C is correct. Question number 8 will be, the value of n for which itna has the period 4 point. fx is given sin nx upon sin x by n. The period of sin nx will be 2 pi by n. Here sin of x by n will be 2 pi into n. Period of this sin nx upon sin x by n will be LCM of 2 pi by n and 2 pi n. Here LCM of this will be 2 pi n, hence we have given the period 4 pi, hence value of n will be 2. Option A is correct. Question number 9 is nothing but we have to find the inverse of this function. First of all, we suppose this fx as y. We have to, fx is e p power x minus e p power minus x upon e p power x plus e p power minus x plus 1. Suppose this as y. Solving this here, we get 2 e p power x upon e p power x plus e p power minus x. Send this e p power x plus e p power minus x upon e p power minus x is equal to 2 upon y. 1 plus e p power minus 2x will be 2 upon y. Then e p power minus 2x will be 2 minus y upon y. E p power x will be y upon 2 minus y power 1 by 2. X will be log y, log of y upon 2 minus y to the power 1 by 2. Hence f inverse x, that is y, is equal to log of x upon 2 minus x power 1 by 2. That is option number C is correct. Question number 26. Question number 10th is, we have to find the limit of the value cos sin x minus cos x upon x power. We know that cos a minus b is equal to minus 2 sin a plus b by 2 or sin a minus b by 2. Putting this value here, we get putting this value in this given equation, we will get this. Here we can write x to the power 4 as sin साइन ऑफ साइन एक्स प्लस एक्स बाई टू पे पावर एक्स स्क्वायर, साइन ऑफ साइन एक्स माइनस एक्स बाई टू पे पावर एक्स स्क्वायर. X square. We note that as we take the limit x tends to 0, sin x upon x will be 1. 1. So solving, putting sin x plus x by 2 by x square, sin x minus x by 2x square. Hence sin square x minus x square by x to the power 4. This will be this, and here putting value 0 we get 0 by 0 form, hence it will be we apply L'Hospital rule. Applying L'Hospital rule in this we get this. Again we apply L'Hospital rule. Applying L'Hospital rule we get this, and then putting the x here we get 2 sin 2x upon 2x. Applying L'Hospital rule we get 1 upon 6. 1 upon 6, option B is correct. Thank you for watching my video.